never see this kind of before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I never see, oh, wonder, 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 wonder.
Alright, good everyone. Welcome to my channel. So let's do a little person chords on Highlife. So Highlife is just a style of praise, like all these fast songs. Okay, so I'm going to do this on the key of F, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, and E and F. So if you have not subscribed, please help me subscribe before you continue. Just help me click on the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you so much. Okay, so let me play a simple okay, so songs like Morire, 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 well, Oshemelore, Morire. Okay, yeah, I never see. Wonder, 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 wonder. The chord progression is 6, 2, 5, 1. That is D, G, C, F. I never see. Wonder, 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 wonder. I never see. Wonder, wonder, wonder. Okay, so on my 6, I'm going to play a diminished chord on my 6. That is on the 5th, C, E flat, F sharp, and A. So I never see. So I never see you then. Wonder, 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 wonder. Okay, so these are my chords. On 6, on my right I have C, a diminished chord there. On my left I have D. Then on my 2, I have 4/2. That is B flat, D, F, B flat over G. Then on my 5 I have a dominant chord. I have B flat, C, E and G. My left I have C and G. Wonder, so I never see. Wonder. So if you play the beat.
Wonder, wonder, wonder. I never see this kind of before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I never see, oh, wonder, 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 wonder. See this kind of day. Wonder, 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 wonder. See, I never see, oh, wonder, 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 wonder. I never see, oh, wonder, 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 wonder.
So my vamping.
Sing this can go before, wonder, wonder, wonder.
So let's take some.
See, I never see it. Wonder, wonder. See this can go before, wonder, 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 wonder. See, I never see it. Wonder, wonder.
So let's move to the next. So there is a popular movement. So I never see okay, this movement is common in songs like oh, you are mighty. So you leave the room for percussionist. For you so yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Baby. So yeah, you can just play major chords inversion. So P, mi, re, re, D. So my left is playing do, ti, do, la, F, E, E flat, and D. Yeah, you just play your chord. F major inversion, C, F, A, B, E, A flat, B flat, E flat, G, A, D, and F sharp. So I never see you, wonder, 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 wonder. So see you, never see you, wonder, 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 wonder. So apparently any song that has 6 to 5 1, you can play this person chords praise or worship. You can play this passing chords. Then don't forget on your 6, always add this. Wonder, wonder. Always add this chord. So there's another song. Baba fa emi da bira. Baba fa emi da bira. So you can also play this. So far you're going back to 2 from here. Baba fa emi da bira. So you can do that also. So these are the passing chords you can use for your Highlife praise. Okay, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.